Hey guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here. It's the Cooking with Jack show, and we're going to do something really simple and easy today. But first, I want to talk to you about masks. A lot of you have been writing me saying we don't see your masks on the little merchandise shelf. Okay, so it seems YouTube takes forever to put up new merchandise. I don't know why, but they do. I have it in my store. So click on the merchandise, it'll take you to my store, and then scroll down and look for the mask of your choice, all right? We got Cooking with Jack show masks. We got Jack on the Go show masks. But for right now, let's bring you in close, and we're going to take care of those hard-boiled eggs we got done cooking in that egg pod. That was awesome. Okay, guys, here's all the ingredients you need on how to make egg salad. You got your hard-boiled eggs. We're using an egg slicer, but you don't have to have an egg slicer. You can use a fork or a knife or whatever you choose. Then you got mayonnaise, salt, pepper, and some mustard. And those are the basic ingredients for egg salad. You could throw in your own little treats. This is how my mom taught me how to cut my eggs for egg salad, but you can use a fork or a knife or whatever. So you take your egg slicer and slice your eggs one way, then pull them out, and then place it 45-degree angle the other way, okay? Like you're crisscross cutting. And if you see, look how beautiful that is. And dump it in your bowl. All right, guys, first ingredient you want to put in is mayonnaise. And this is all about preference. So we have about 4 eggs in there in the bowl. So we'll probably do 2 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. If you like more, put more. If you like less, put less. Remember, if you put less, then it'll be a little bit drier. And then grab your mustard. Just squirt a little bit in there. Whoops. Shake it up before you start squirting it. And then place your mustard in there. And give it a good mix around. Salt and pepper is always the last ingredients because that's where you flavor it. You add a little bit, you taste it. You add a little bit, you taste it. You get it to where you want it. Pepper's really good in egg salad. Looks beautiful. Put a pinch of salt in there. Then you put a pinch of pepper in there. Give it a good mix. Something a lot of cooks don't do is taste their own food. So we will taste the food. If it's where it needs to be, we'll be fine. If it's not, we'll go get another fork and stir it up again with more salt and pepper. My wife, every time she makes egg salad or tuna salad, she nails it. So I'm sure she has the right amount of salt and pepper in here already. I won't have to add any more. So let's give it a taste. Perfect. Now be real easy on the salt because kind of eggs are they seem salty to me as it is. And salt is very strong in this. So you can over salt and then you destroy the whole thing. This is really good. That's how you make basic egg salad. You can put it on sandwiches. You can eat it just like it is if you don't want any bread. I'm just going to eat it just like this. All right? I love you guys, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.